When babies feel obstructed breathing because of the nasal congestion, you can use the BabyBliss electric nasal aspirator for baby. This kind of nasal aspirator has 3 models of suction. It has 4 medical silicone tips. It's suitable for babies of different age. The BabyBliss electric nasal aspirator is easy to use and is quiet when it is working, so the quiet voice can be more friendly to babies than noise. Your baby will feel better and get a smoother breathing after you use this nasal aspirator. This product is easy to clean. Its accessories are easy to remove and install. It supports USB charge and it has FDA certification. The BabyBliss electric nasal aspirator helps your baby has a smoother breathing experience.